How long might it take to resolve my premises liability case in New York? Attorney Glen Kurtis explains that how long it can take to resolve a premises liability case can vary greatly from a few months to several years. It depends on the complexity of the liability and the extent of the injuries that were sustained and the treatment that the client undertakes. Sometimes cases get held because someone is still seeking medical treatment. For instance, if someone has a slip and fall and they just have a fracture, then it might take 6 weeks to resolve. But if someone has a slip and fall and they have a more substantial fracture, then they may need a surgery and physical therapy, and maybe then they need scar revisions from a surgical site. In New York, the statute of limitations for an injury case is 3 years. For instance, if someone is hurt on January 1st, they have 3 years from that date to file an action against the landowner or negligent party to seek recovery for their injuries. To schedule an appointment with a lawyer who has been practicing since 1998, contact Glen A. Kurtis for a free initial consultation. He will communicate honestly with you. Unlike some law firms, your case will not be passed on to an inexperienced paralegal. He will be the one to handle your case from beginning to end.